ಹಾಯ್ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ವಿಶೇಷತೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ 1 BHK ಮನೆ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ತೋರ್ಸೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಬನ್ನಿ.
I am seeing this after 6 months. I cannot believe I have not posted a video since like 6 months. It's also because there was a lot going on. I have shifted from Kolkata to Bangalore like 4 months back, and I was extremely busy with the shifting and moving process. But I'm not going to give any excuse. I was super consistent on Instagram. Like I post reels every single day, and you guys have been loving it. But now it's time to also be consistent on YouTube. Okay, I'm not going to bore you guys with all that information. I'll make a separate life update video in case you guys want to watch that. But for this video, I am going to be showing you guys my 1 BHK rented house in Bangalore. Okay, I'm super excited to show you guys my house. So let's get into that. So I'm quickly going to give you guys an overview first. That's my bedroom. Starting up with the living room, this is what it looks like. We have a sofa here. Then this table is from IKEA that I recently got. And this mat is from Amazon, which my friend gave me. And a lot of you also keep asking me about these frames. These are from Wari. I have put it using these hooks, and trust me, it's very strong. The size of this living room is pretty decent, I feel, and right next to that we have the TV cabinet. Okay, so this is what my TV cabinet looks like. मैंने यहाँ कोई भी TV नहीं लगाया है because मैं TV देखती नहीं हूँ. Most of the times I'm on my phone, or if I want to watch anything, I watch it on my laptop. You last time मैंने TV कब देखा था मुझे याद भी नहीं है. Instead, what I did, I made this coffee station. So this coffee station is my favorite part of the house. मैंने इसको बहुत ही दिल से बहुत ही प्यार से बनाया है because I always wanted a coffee station. So let me break it down for you. So ये first shelf पे मैंने रखा है अपना vision board, and we also have some fake plants, and then we have a mirror and some decor set up, and we have coffee beans. I'll give you guys a closer look of this. This is a cup stand, और मैंने यहाँ पे अपने सारे favorite cute cups लगाए हैं. And this is the coffee machine. This is from the brand Wonder Chef, and the best part is that I got this in PR. Like how amazing is that? I'm so grateful. और यहाँ मैंने बहुत ही सिंपल सा ये वास लगाया है इधर. And then we have this evil eye decor. मैंने ये TV cabinet बहुत अच्छे से utilize किया है. I did not want to buy like a separate shoe rack, so I keep all my shoes in this. Wow. ये मैं ठीक से रखती हूँ, अभी थोड़ा mess up हो गया है. And then we have some more shoes over here, और उसमें भी shoes है. And right next to this we also have a small मंदिर which I'm so happy about. और यहाँ मैंने ये लक्ष्मी गणेश का मूर्ति रखा है and some पूजा essentials. As you enter the kitchen, यहाँ पे fridge है. And look at my fridge magnet collection. I love it. Okay, so this is what my kitchen looks like. Okay, जब मैं ये घर देखने आई थी ना, I felt कि kitchen थोड़ा छोटा है, but after living here for like 3.5 months, I feel the kitchen is the right size. It's just perfect for one person. Okay, so we have a gas here, and I have also rented this microwave because ये बहुत ही ज़रूरी है खाना गर्म करने के लिए. So all the furniture that you see now, the sofa, the bed, the fridge, the microwave, all of this I have rented at a very affordable price. So let me know if you guys want like a detailed video about how I've rented, मैं कितना पे करती हूँ. अगर उसके बारे में देखना है, I have posted a video on Instagram, but detailed video अगर देखना है तो let me know. तो ये पूरे kitchen में ना बहुत सारे cabinets हैं. I have also put some fake plants just for aesthetics. So इस cabinet में मैं रखती हूँ daily essentials, which includes salt, sugar, all the masalas, all the essentials that I need while cooking. And here we have 3 cabinets. So in these cabinets I keep my utensils. Let me quickly show you the other one as well. And this is the third one, जिसमें है plates, chopping board, bowl. I don't like hoarding, so I have only kept things that I need. And here we have few more cabinets. इसमें मैं रखती हूँ अपने daily cleaning essential. And in this one I have few appliances, like you can see the mixer grinder, the sandwich maker, और यहाँ पे है आलू प्याज रोज का सामान. And on this corner we have a water purifier, which is a must have. Then we have the sink, और इसमें मैं अपने बर्तन धो के सुखाती हूँ. Okay, so this is my utility area. It's very simple, very छोटू सा. I've just kept my washing machine here because it's so important. थोड़े पैसे बचाने के लिए मैं हाथ से कपड़े धो रही थी for like 10-15 days, and then I realized, Anna, what the hell are you doing? Just pay like 500 rupees per month, rent a washing machine. Because ये छोटे मोटे कपड़े तो मैं हाथ से धो सकती हूँ, but when it comes to bed sheet and like jeans and long big clothes, it's not easy to do it by yourself. So if you live by yourself, a washing machine is a must have. And just to make this place a little bit cute, I've added this boho wall hanging, this evil eye ring which is so pretty, and both the things are from Wari. And utility area ke paas hai washroom, which I will show you guys later. But before that, let's see my bedroom. Okay, so this is what my bedroom looks like. I'm super happy with how I have done it. Okay, so this house came with this huge cupboard. ये मैं अभी खोलने नहीं वाली हूँ because it's a mess. I'll be making a decluttering video because I have to clean this whole thing. But trust me, the cupboard is huge. And here we also have this beautiful lamp. और वहाँ मैंने 2 frames लगाए हैं, which is again from Wari. Wari से actually मेरे पास बहुत सारे सामान हैं. This came in a set of 3, but while shifting from Kolkata to Bangalore, एक टूट गया. So I've just put 2. I feel like कि 2 ही अच्छा लग रहा है. अगर मैं यहाँ पे 3 लगाऊंगी ना, बहुत ज्यादा cluttered लगेगा. And this is the bed. I love it. I love this bed sheet जो मैंने recently लिया Amazon से. And this bed also has like a backrest. यहाँ पे है this ह्यूज विंडो एंड यहाँ से इतना ज्यादा लाइट आता है ना. जब मैं घर देख रही थी बैंगलोर में, आई वाज लाइक आई हैव टू गेट अ हाउस जहाँ बहुत ज्यादा लाइट आता है, बिकॉज आई एम अ फुल टाइम कंटेंट क्रिएटर एंड गुड लाइटिंग इज सुपर इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड आई हैव आल्सो पुट दिस बेडसाइड मैट व्हिच इज अगेन फ्रॉम वारी. एंड वी आल्सो हैव दिस बिग मिरर एंड दिस इज व्हाट द बाथरूम लुक्स लाइक. वेरी सिंपल. एंड दिस क्यूट हैंड सोप डिस्पेंसर इज फ्रॉम Nastasia. And that's all for my house tour. Let me know what do you guys think about this house. I've been living in this house for like 3.5 months and this feels like a home. I have done all of this by myself and I'm so proud of it. In case you're wondering what's my rent, it's 18,000 per month. And if you have any other questions, then let me know in the comments down below. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for.
ಸೊ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ 1 BHK ಮನೆ. ಸೊ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ನಮಗೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ರೂಮ್ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ರೂಮೇ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂಥದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೇ ಥರದ ವೀಡಿಯೋಗಳಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ಸದಾ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ನೋಟಿಫೈಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತೀನಿ. ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ಬಾಯ್.